Hello guys, we are here again to repair this trouble of Huawei Mate 11. As you can see, I am testing it on a charger, and it doesn't work, and it is repeatedly looping. So in my initial diagnostic, it has a problem in the battery and in the charging port, because I've already undergone it on a microscopic level diagnostic. Now we will use a heat gun to melt the adhesive around the edge of the screen. Then the hard part is coming, the prying of the screen off the board, because if you are not careful, you can damage the screen. As we can see from this video, I'm having a lot of hard time, because prying this large screen from a tablet is very time consuming. And when the screen is off, we will take the motherboard of the charging port and replace it with a new one. And after the charging port, we are going to replace the battery of this unit. But first, we will check the new battery if it is working. And it worked just fine. So we are going to proceed on removing the old battery and placing this new one on the board. This is another time-consuming job, for the old battery has adhesive underneath it, and as you can see, I am very careful on removing it, because we don't know if there is a flex under the battery that we can damage, so be careful. And other than that, the battery could blow if lacerated. Now once the old battery is gone, we will place the new one in order. And we will proceed in another checking of the battery when it is placed. As we can see, the tablet is working fine, and then we will proceed to cleaning the old adhesive to add a new fresh adhesive. To do this job, we are going to use this mini drill to get the excess adhesive or the old adhesive out of the board and replace it for fresh one. As we can see guys, this is very time consuming, for it is a large device compared to a smartphone. Once all the preparations is done, we will test again the screen and in order to place it permanently on the board. Yes, it is working fine. Now we will place it permanently on the board to finish our job. And I will say thank you for watching this video. We will check the charger if it is working, and it's working fine. Thanks.